Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. So today I went to the Dollar Tree with a couple of my buddies, and so I grabbed some makeup from there and I wanted to see how Dollar Tree makeup was, compared to all these subscription boxes that I've been getting. So the two brands that I notably saw in my Dollar Tree was Wet n Wild and LA-Color. Now, I also did find this Beauty Benefits cream. It's Nucolor. So I thought I would give this BB cream a try. I have some CC cream. I don't have BB cream. And with it being hot, I wanted something a little lighter, thinner to put on my face during the summer. So I thought I would give this a try. We're gonna open it up and see how it did. I got it in the color light, which is number 1. It says multi-action skincare and makeup. Apply and blend with fingertips. I can't read, y'all. I think I'm still worked up. Y'all, we skipped lunch. We decided we wanted ice cream. So we went and had ice cream after we had Dollar Tree. Yeah. We're bad, but we had a good time. 3 girls cutting up. Just want to see. It is sealed. Kelly's like, what you doing, Mama? So, where should I put it? We'll put it on my wrist. Hello. All right. Y'all see that at all? So let's see. Well, I think light is gonna work for me. What do y'all think? I mean, I can tell it is a little light. I probably could have went with another color, but you know how your neck is a little lighter than your face? I think you're supposed to match your neck so your face doesn't look like you're a floating head on top of a white strap. I don't know. Let me know if I am wrong about that. So that's the BB cream. I mean, it feels all right. We'll see how it does in the long run. Let me know if y'all have ever tried this brand and what your thoughts on it are. So everything else, let's see, that's the Wet n Wild. These are LA-Color. All right, we'll just go through this Wet n Wild real fast. All right, y'all, I've heard of eyelash primers. Never tried one. This is actually Mega Clear Lash and Brow Mascara. It's a clear mascara. So I thought I wanted to try that. Some days you just don't want a big thick eyelash on, especially if you think you might sweat and get it down here, which happens to me a lot. Actually, maybe happening to me right now. It's been a busy day. So it's supposed to tame and define. So let's just look at it. Of course, I can't put it on because I've already got mascara on. What are you doing, Cali Cat? I just wanted to see. And it was $1, so, it's not like I'm spending 30 bucks on it like I do with other mascaras. So there is the clear mascara. And there is the wand. Oh, I mean, you could probably put this on your brows. Maybe? I don't know. I'll have to try it when I don't have any makeup on to see how this does. Hold that for me. All right, we're gonna go into the LA-Color now. This is a Conceal and Correct. I've been seeing a lot of people with these green products that's supposed to say it's color correcting, where I get the redness and stuff. So I thought, well, I'll give it a try. I'll see what this looks like. Maybe it'll help me cut down on my redness. It says camouflages redness, conceals. It's in green. Color correcting formula that blurs imperfections. Use green Conceal Correct to cover blemishes and minimize redness. Apply corrector under regular concealer to create a perfectly even complexion. For optimal results, blend with sponge. and they said sponge not included. Can anybody not tell if there's a sponge in there? I don't know. Never used this brand before. I've never bought makeup at the Dollar Tree before. I just thought I would give it a try because, let's see. All right, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there is a red spot right here. So we're just gonna stick some right there and see what happens. Can y'all see that? Yes, we can see the green. All right, now I have a green tint. We're gonna put this on over the top of it and see what it looks like. Because right now I feel like I'm going Wicked Witch of the West style with a little bit of green on me. I don't know. I still feel like I look green. I'll put a little more of this on there. All right, I still feel like I look green. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. What do y'all think of the green stuff? I definitely think my arm looks green. It was worth a try. Didn't hurt to try for $1. And plus, that's not the thickest foundation I have either. I could probably put a thicker foundation over the top of it and see what it looked like too. We're moving on. Also got LAcolor Volumizing Mascara, Lips and Volume. Love trying different mascaras. This is in black. They're fun. Seeing what's gonna smear, what's not gonna smear, what has a wand I like. It just, you know. And it's $1. Everything's $1 at the Dollar Tree. Yeah. Like I said, I've already got stuff on, so we really can't tell anything about it. We're gonna have to try it out later, but it's there for the trying. So this is a makeup stick, 3-in-1 makeup stick, lipstick, blush, and eyeshadow. It's in the color Pink Satin. Apply to eyes, lips, and cheeks and blend as directed. Combines makeup application for lips, eyes, and cheeks into one versatile cosmetic pencil. Applies and blends easily with the silky smooth feel. Special formulation ensures long-lasting wear. Extra large jumbo stick for easy application and control. So, look at that, y'all. I just thought, I was hoping it would be a pretty color. Not too bad. And my lipstick's probably wore off, so let's just stick it on there and see. I can't see. Yeah, it's not too bad. I don't know about putting it on my cheeks and eyes. It might not be too bad. What do you think? I actually kind of like the color. I think the color on my lips is not too bad. Not the best tasting stuff, but we're not here to eat our lipstick either. Okay, so this is a LAcolor 3-color eyeshadow in Orchid. I thought it looked like a nice natural palette. Multi-dimensional. 3-color eyeshadow palette slides on evenly for a beautiful look. Sweep eyeshadow across eyelid area. Use shades individually or combined together to create a multi-dimensional look. I like these little tiny palettes, or I think they'd be good for when I travel. You can just, you know, grab something like this to wear every day and not have to carry a whole bunch of makeup with you. Alright, let me get this little brush out of the way. Does anybody still use these kind of brushes? I don't. Right? So you can see we're just gonna go right in and put them right here. See, I think that would be a nice little palette for just your everyday look. I mean, great, they're not as pigmented as some of the other colors, but it feels nice. They work nicely. Alright, so that is what I got from the dollar store. Makeup wise, yes, I did get some other stuff. FYI, they had the Dial Himalayan soap. I love this Himalayan soap from Dial. Normally I get it from Walmart and I probably pay $2 or $3 for it. Here I paid $1 for the same size, the same product. I was pretty excited about that. I also got some little cheap wipes, just, you know, because on occasion you need a little wipe around. Clean facial wipe. This is in Lavender Night Calming. I love lavender smell. All right, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.